Welcome to JD's Prep. All right, so for the next few questions, we have a map here with two locations. We're talking about Hastings, Nebraska, and Riverhead, New York. We have a map with their location as well as their average monthly air temperature graphs. All right, so our first question is, explain why Hastings has a greater annual temperature range than Riverhead. So if we look at these air temperature graphs, we can see that Hastings here has a range of about 23 to 75, whereas Riverhead has a range more like 26 to 74. So it just has a smaller range of temperatures over the year. So the main reason for that difference would be the moderating effect of the ocean. So Riverhead is right on the ocean. The ocean and any other body of water will have a moderating effect on the temperatures of locations close by. Due to the high specific heat capacity of water, it just means warmer winters and cooler summers. All right, so for the next question, we're being asked why the angle of insolation at both locations is approximately the same at solar noon on any given day. Both locations are at approximately the same latitude, which is around 41 degrees north. And the same latitude would mean that they would have that same angle of insolation. And the next question asks us to identify the planetary wind belt that primarily influences the climates of both Hastings and Riverhead. So for this question, you are going to want this diagram from your data booklet. So we've already gone over the fact that both Riverhead and Hastings are at the same latitude, about 41 degrees north. Okay, so we just need to look at this diagram. So this here is 30 degrees north, that's 60. So Hastings and Riverhead are going to be somewhere in this area, and they are going to be most influenced by the southwest winds. And lastly, we're being asked about the ocean current that most likely has the greatest effect on the climate of Riverhead. So this is just a question about Riverhead here. You are going to want to find this surface ocean currents map from your data booklet, identify where Riverhead is on there, and you can see the currents that's closest to where Riverhead is. So the correct answer for this is the Gulf Stream current. Thank you for using JD's Prep.